Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to delete messages on an Android phone easily. First, open the Messages app on your phone. Find the conversation where the message you want to delete is located. Tap and hold the message you want to delete until a menu appears. Now, click on the Delete option from the menu. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Delete again to confirm. If you want to delete an entire conversation, tap and hold the conversation, then select the Delete option. That's it. Your message or conversation has been deleted. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.